Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Okay, so which of the following sphere represent calcium, strontium, and barium? So let's look at the pictures. Okay, so for the pictures 5.28, we're looking at these circles, and you will see that they have a different radius. So this has to do with atomic radius. So let's look back at the periodic tables. This is a blank periodic tables. In a periodic table, here's is the two things that you want to remember. Going down the periodic tables, what happened to the radius? Radius would increase. Okay. The next one is this. You want to go right to the left of the periodic table. The radius is also increased because if you go the other way, left to right, radius will decrease. Okay. So basically, okay, hold on. I have drawn the. Basically, here is what it's kind of look like. Radius is gonna be biggest down here. Radius is gonna be smaller down here. So pretty much, right? This is bigger, this is smaller. If you were thinking about it, it is gonna really look something like this, right? A little bit bigger, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger, 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 and then down here we got a bigger circles. Okay, so pretty much that's what is happening. Left to right, that's what it is. So let's try to look at our elements that we're being asked to do. Calcium, strontium, and bromine. Let's look at periodic table. Where's calcium at? Calcium, okay, so fourth row, second column. Let's go back. I'm gonna mark it. Calcium, fourth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, second column. So this is my calcium, Ca. All right. Strontium, Sr. Sr is directly below that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mark that as Sr. Okay, so let's use a different color pen. I'm gonna mark Sr, which is directly below. And we're gonna get the bromine, Br. So Br is the same row as calcium, except the column before the last one. All right, so Sr, Br, okay. All right, I'm just gonna write it like this. I use the same colors, it's fine. All right, so now what's gonna happen? Now let's think about it for a second. Let's compare two at a time. Ca and Sr. Sr is down here, so Sr is bigger than Ca. Ca smaller than Sr. We know that. Now let's compare Ca and Br. Ca is on the left side, so Ca is bigger than Br. Br will be smaller. Now, we can arrange it in order. Sr is bigger than Ca. Ca is bigger than Br. Okay, so that means let's go back and look at our radius pictures. Our radius picture go from 215, 114, and 197. Okay, so 215, 197, 114. PM, of course, pinkometer, 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 respectively. So SR would be the first one. CA is actually the last pictures, and BR is the middle pictures, as you can see from the picture. So BR is the smallest one. Okay, so that's what you want to go. Each one corresponding to their radius. All right. Happy studying.